The benefits of Suhoor, Sahri, with authentic references. Suhoor, pre-dawn meal, is a blessed sunnah of the Prophet and carries both spiritual and physical benefits. Here are some key benefits with authentic references. 1. A source of blessing, Barakah. The Prophet said, "Take Suhoor, for indeed there is blessing in it." Sahih al-Bukhari 1923, Sahih Muslim 1095. 2. Differentiates Muslim fasting from other religions. The Prophet said, "The difference between our fasting and the fasting of the people of the book is the meal of Suhoor." Sahih Muslim 1096. 3. Strengthens the body for fasting. Suhoor provides energy and sustains the body throughout the day, making fasting easier physically and mentally. 4. Brings the mercy and prayers of angels. The Prophet said, "Indeed, Allah and His angels send blessings upon those who take Suhoor." Musnad Ahmad 11086, Sahih al-Jami 3683, Sahih. 5. Helps in following the Sunnah. Eating Suhoor revives the practice of the Prophet and earns the reward of following his example. 6. Provides strength for worship and ibadah. By consuming Suhoor, a person gains the necessary strength to perform salah, read the Quran, and engage in other acts of worship with energy and focus. 7. Delaying Suhoor is recommended. The Prophet used to delay Suhoor until shortly before Fajr. Anas, R.A., reported, "We took Suhoor with the Prophet, then he stood for prayer. I asked, how much time was there between the two? He said, the time it takes to recite 50 verses. Sahih al-Bukhari 1921, Sahih Muslim 1097.